Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our mouse actions. Okay, we have mouse action like mouse hovering and double click and drag and drop. These are the actions we have. We'll see for one by one. Okay, and this particular video I'm going to cover about the over. What over is basically any element. If you mouse that particular element, then automatically it will open as some pop-up or some uh, drop down or some information it will show like this. Okay, if you may in real time, maybe it can able to say tooltip. Okay, whenever you enter in that particular tooltip, automatically it will open one pop-up. In this pop-up it will display some information, right? The similar format over is nothing but whenever you over into that particular element, it will show some drop downs. Okay, this kind of things also it will present how you can able to over in that particular element. Okay, for this I'm going to take this particular example. Okay, if I oversee, these are the elements we can able to over in that particular results. Okay, if you over in home or register web table, it is not coming but color is changing, but it is not opening any drop down. Okay, but when you come into the switch to see automatically and which gets like this, we can see some couple of places we are getting for overs, right? Like how we can able to over. Okay, for this I have already created for expert to switching that particular element. Okay, now I'm going to copy this particular element or URL. Okay, to here await page dot go to, and we can specify here our URL, then await page dot locator. Okay, in this locator what will happen, this is the locator. Okay, I copy paste it here, and we have one more method called h over. This method is basically to overing that particular thing. You can able to see mouse over in that particular method. You can able to see what is the parameter show over. It is basically this is the format we are going to declare. Okay, this method over accessibility and forces and page out our mouse actions. What are the mouse actions we are going to do? Those are all the mouse actions we can able to do it. And initialization, navigation, everything it will do it. Okay. Even if you get some timeout, then we can able to get for error. Okay. And this is the one way we can able to do. And another one like I'll copy this one. We can save this particular web element into one constant variable, constant over. Okay, and then we can use for average over dot h over. Okay, like this also we can able to over in that particular element. Both the cases are true, same actions we can do. But this is basically whenever if you want to be using something, that moment we can store in the constant, then we can able to use it. Okay. Now I'm going to take this terminal on, and here ts file, and here our file name is mouse action h over. Okay, spec.ts.head. Okay, now I'm going to running this one. We can see now the work down. See, it has got very fast, right? We need to wait some time to see that particular execution got worked or not. Okay, because it is executed very fast. Because of that, we are not able to see through anything. See, it got over. In case if you want to move into the same wizard, anything like now Windows, if you want to go for Windows, this is my Windows one. Okay, copy that Windows and paste it Windows and see it is able to find one, and we'll see whether we can able to over in that particular element or not. Okay, which page dot locator. double quotation, H O. Okay. Now this time it will do for very fast. Okay. See, Windows it got over. Like this, we can able to do for n number of cases. Okay. I hope it this information help for you. And sorry, I forgot to run this into JavaScript. Sorry. Usually I do very fast. Sorry. Copy and timer mouse over .js file. Okay, mouse over actions. Again. Okay. This is basically in JavaScript. I'm running. See, Windows it got execute. Okay. Like this we can able to do it. Okay. I hope it this information is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.